Welcome to my channel Future Bright English Learning. You know that we are discussing tense. Already we have completed present indefinite tense and also we have completed present continuous tense. So today we are going to discuss present perfect tense. So let's come and enjoy the class of present perfect tense. So present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. So when we use present perfect tense, remember present perfect tense is used when the work has been done but its result continues. So in that case, we use present perfect tense. Actually, present perfects in present perfect or present perfect tense behaves like a past tense, but it is not the past tense. Present perfect, remember, present perfect tense behaves like the past tense, but it is not the past tense. So, how we shall understand the difference between present perfect and past tense? See, first I am writing three sentences, right? For example, I have done it. I have done it. Of course, it is the example of present perfect tense. Why it is present perfect tense? I am coming later. Surely I shall discuss. I have done it. Another sentence is I have done it yesterday. Yesterday. It is another sentence, right? Or I am writing I did it yesterday. So three sentences I have written here. So it is present perfect, but it is not the present perfect tense and it is the past tense. All right. So, how we shall understand the difference? If the past time is added with the present perfect, so that will not be the present perfect tense, right? See, yesterday the past time has been added with present perfect tense. Already I have told you it is the example of present perfect, and with present perfect what I have done, I have added the past time. As past time has been added, so it is not the present perfect tense, it is actually not correct sentence. So if I want to make it correct, I have to write it in past indefinite. So how it will be written? I did it yesterday. Now it has become the correct sentence because as past time has been added, so it will be past tense, that means past indefinite it will be, and if time is not added, in that case that will be present perfect tense. So it is present perfect, right? It is present perfect because it has behaved like the past tense. I have done it, I have done it. It has behaved like the past tense, but it is not the past tense because past time has not been added here, so it is present perfect. And as past time has been added with past perfect, so that is not the correct sentence and that is not the present perfect. And if I want to make it correct, I have to follow the past indefinite tense. That means it will be written in past indefinite. So in this way, I shall write the sentence, I did it yesterday. So it is past tense. So it is past tense or past indefinite. When, of course, I shall tell you what is past indefinite when we shall discuss past tense. So it is past tense I am writing. Just I am writing, it is past tense, right? Or past indefinite or simple past, you can say. So it is present perfect. It's not the correct sentence. It is past indefinite. Now, how we are making the present perfect sentences? So how we are making the formula will be, in this way. First you have to take subject, then according to subject we shall take either have or has, then we shall take verb 3, that means third form of the verb will be taken. Then if I get object, I shall take object, then remaining or complement, if I get, surely I shall write. So it is the formula to make affirmative sentences of present perfect tense. So today I am showing you how to make affirmative sentences of present perfect, and of course how to make negative sentences of present perfect tense. So in this way, following this formula, I can create a lot of affirmative sentences in present perfect tense. What is the formula? Again, I am telling you, first subject will be taken, then according to subject we shall take either have or has, then verb 3 will be taken, third form of the verb will be taken, or past participle you can say, then object we shall take, then remaining will be taken if we get remaining. For example, I have done, I have done, I have done, I'm, I have done, just I am writing this, I am not writing object. If you want to write object, you can write I have done it. Just I have written, I have done. So it is the example of present perfect tense, because subject I have taken, and according to subject I have taken have, and then verb 3 I have taken. You know, this done has come from the verb do. Do, did, done. So third form of the verb has been taken. So in this way, we can create a lot of affirmative sentences. And if you want to increase, so you can increase. I have done it. I am increasing. I have done it. Or if you want to increase more and more, I have done it in the morning. So in this way, we can create a lot of affirmative sentences in present perfect tense. Just you have to change the verb. You have to change the verb when you want to change. When you want to change. If you want to say with a right verb, I have written, or I have written it. I have eaten rice. I have eaten. I have seen. Just take subject, then has, and then verb 3. I have read. I have read this. If you want to increase, I have read this book. I have read this book. Or I have seen. Or if you want to increase, I have seen you in the park. Or if you want to increase more and more, I have seen you in the park with your friend. So just take subject, then take have or has, then verb 3, and then if you get object, object will be taken, and then if you get remaining, remaining will be taken. And in this way, just you say, you create a lot of sentences and speak with your friends. Just change the verb. What verb you need, just you take the third form of the verb. Or if I take another sentence, you, so have, according to subject have, and you have done it. In the same way, you have seen me, you have written it, you have read this book. Just I am changing this verb, right? First I'm taking subject, then according to subject I am taking have or has, then verb 3 I'm taking, then object, and then remaining. Or he, according to subject has, I have to take he has done, or he has done it. He has done it. See, he has done it. So according to subject I have taken he, and then I have taken, I'm sorry, it is my subject, and according to subject I have taken has, and then verb 3 I have taken, then object. Or if you want to increase, you can increase. And if you want to change the verb, so what verb you need, just you take the third form of that verb, the verb what you need. I have seen you. I have seen you in the park. Or I'm sorry, he has seen me in the park. He has seen me in the park. He has invited me. He has invited me. He has invited his friend. Just take the subjects and according to subject take have has verb 3 object and remaining, right? My friend, another example I'm giving. My friend, it's third person, has. My according to subject I'm taking has come. My friend has come here. My friend has come here, right? If I write my friends, it's plural, so I have to take have. Come, came, come. My friends have come here. But as it is singular, so I have taken has. My friend has come here. And as it is plural, my subject is, so my friends have come here. So in this way, we can create a lot of affirmative sentences in present perfect tense. All right. And if you want to make negative, very easy, very easy. If we want to make a negative, just after have has put a not, and then these will be the negative sentences. How? Subject, have not or has not, and then the formula will be the same: verb 3 object and remaining. For example, I have not done it. You have not done it. And in place of have not, you can write haven't. In place of have not, you can say haven't. Or another sentence, he has done, I'm sorry, he has not, he has not, he has not, because it is a negative, he has not done it. And in place of has not, you can write hasn't. So he hasn't done it. Now, negative sentence, in this way you create. Just if you want to change the verb, just change the verb. I have not invited him. I have not written it. I have not eaten rice. You have not written this. You have not read this book, or you haven't read this book. You haven't sung a song. Sing, sang, sung. You have not sung a song, right? You haven't invited me. You haven't called me. Same way, he has not. He has not come here. He has not come to college. He has not gone to college. He has not gone to Kolkata. Or if you want to English, he has not gone to Kolkata by train. So in this way, we can create a lot of both affirmative sentences and negative sentences. If we want to create affirmative sentences, we shall follow this formula. Just we shall take subject, and according to subject, we shall take either have or has, then verb 3 will be taken, then object we shall take, then remaining. And if we want to make negative sentences, just we shall take subject, and after have has, we shall add only not. That means subject, have not or has not, verb 3, object, and remaining. So just follow this formula and make a lot of affirmative and negative sentences. In this way, create many sentences and speak with a friend, with your friends, with your relatives, with your dear and near ones for all the time. I hope you all have understood how to make affirmative sentences and negative sentences in present perfect tense. So again, we shall discuss in the next class how to frame question sentences in present perfect tense. Till then, goodbye from everybody. Thank you very much.